Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for your Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum cleaner and mop. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at our E20 Plus in the app, where we can go ahead and select enter to view more of our device settings. We have our pre-populated map right here. I haven't done anything yet, so we can take a deep dive into all of the map settings. So there's a look at our map. Yours will look different. It'll depend on your environment or home that you're using this in. And we have this map edit option right under the battery indicator there on the right hand side of the screen. So we can select that. And now we have our map 1 options. We can backup, restore, rename, or delete. We can edit rooms and we can customize no-go zones. We can also create a new map at the bottom right there, the big blue purple button there. You can press that if you want more maps. We also have this more option in the top right hand corner of the map edit settings. So if we go into that, this is where we can manage all of the maps that we have created, and this does support multi-floor mapping, so keep that in mind. Everything can be found right there. You can also get to that screen by going through the settings as well. So we can go back out. Top right hand corner, those 3 dots. Map management is the setting that you want to look for, and that takes you to the screen as well. But in this case, let's edit our current map. Let's change the rooms, because you'll notice it only has 2 rooms selected right here. So in this case, we want to divide a room. So we got to select A and hit divide. And we're going to divide this one right there. Hit the check mark. So editing's complete. We want to divide A again. We'll do one right here. Actually, we'll just do it this way. We'll make this a room. Right about there. So we've just divided it multiple times. We also have the option to merge rooms if we wanted to condense or consolidate, I should say, different rooms together. Say A and C we actually want is just one room. We can merge them right there. And then we have the option to rename. Balcony, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or customize. You can write out what you want there. I think just A, B, C, and all that is fine for now. So that's how you edit the rooms. Then let's go and let's do some no-go zones. So we can add virtual walls, no-go zones, and no mop zones. So in this case, I don't want anything over here. So we'll just set that no-go zone. And if we wanted to do no mopping, this is what it's going to look like. I don't have anything on my map that I don't want mopped. I'm okay if it overlaps on carpets. It does have that mop lift, so hopefully it's not making contact, but in the event that it still is, I'm not too concerned about that. We can also add virtual walls. If you wanted to add those, you can do that as well right there, and then just hit the check mark to update your map. So the map settings are simple and straightforward. There's a couple more that I'm going to call map settings that we're going to look at, and this is going to be using the map that we've built to control our cleaning options. So what's really cool here, we can do room full or zone cleaning, so you can drag and drop on the map where you want to clean, and you can have multiple areas, not just one zone at a time. And then for rooms, same thing. Pick and choose which rooms you want it to clean. Pretty cool that we have that option there. And then how many times do you want it to clean? You can adjust that right there on the map. So very simple map options. Basically drag and drop and customize as needed, and you can really control your clean.